Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx 3D tutorial. In this subseries, we are going to learn about lights. So there are two types of light, ambient light as well as point light. And in this video, we will learn about the basics of these two light. And in the next video, we will place ambient as well as point light in our scene graph and see what effect it is making with the stage. In JavaFx, ambient light class defines the global light source. So as the name suggests, the light is ambient and it is global for all the object that is placed in the scene. The light from this light source comes from all the direction, just like sunlight. So sunlight is considered as ambient light. So like sun, the ambient light comes from all the direction. Say for example, let's consider this is our 3D world, and let's state that there is some object in this 3D world and the light source is ambient light. That means you can consider that as a sunlight, and the sunlight is in a broader scope. So consider to the sunlight, the world will be very small, so all the object will possess the same, or all the object in the 3D world illuminates the light source. That means when the light source falls on the 3D world, it is available for all the objects. So all the object in the scene will shine with the same light effect. So just like sunlight, the ambient light, whatever property you set, and the effect of that property will be reflected with all the 3D object that's available in the world. So we can call 3D world. So if all shines in bright white color, so if particular object shines in white color, then all the object will shine in same white color, because the ambient light is such a global one and it is applicable to all the scene objects. So that's one class, ambient light. The next one is point light. Point light class in JavaFx defines point light. When this light is placed on the scene, the light spreads in all 360 degree from the light source. A 3D object surface facing towards this light source, a 3D object surface facing towards this light source will be illuminated. Same, for example, let's consider the same. Let's state that we have two cylinders, and when a point light is placed in the 3D world, for now I'm considering the XY plane, and these two are, let's assume, a 3D object. It splits the light in all 360 degree direction. So if you see only part of the face, we can say the cylinder here will get shined and there will be shadow on this side, or this side will not have any effect. Similarly, on the right side cylinder, if you see, part of the cylinder will get illuminated and the other side of the cylinder has no effect because of the point light. Suppose if we have one more point light here, only this face will get illuminated. Similarly, the right side face will get illuminated here because of the location. So this will also spread in all 360 direction, but if you see, both the objects are towards the left, so right edge of the cylinder will get illuminated by this light source too. So that's what called point light. So ambient light is different, so it is far away from the 3D world, so all object will have same effect. But here in point light, based on the location of the point light and the object location, which part of the object will get illuminated is based on the location of the light. So there is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.